Hi everyone, my name is Nolan Byrne. I am an inside sales technician at Jetstream Houston, and today I'm going to be rebuilding our new 4-inch Gen 2 J-Force. Let me go ahead and open up the box so we can get started with the rebuild. Inside of the premium kit, you will find product instructions, a 3/8 socket, one and a quarter wrench, the J-Force, and the rebuild kit. So we get asked a lot of times what comes in the rebuild kit, so let's open up the bag and see all the components. The first piece is the one-piece mandrel. Next out of the bag is the bushing. The thrust washer. The snap ring, which is going to control the speed of the tool. Last but not least, Loctite. So those are all the components inside of the rebuild kit of a J-Force. So let's go ahead and get started with the rebuild. So to start with the rebuild, we're going to take our 1 1/4 wrench and place it on the inlet nut of the tool. Next, you're going to take your 3/8 socket and place it on the external hex on the top of the tool and simply break the tool loose. Then you're simply going to loosen. So once this is loosened up, you can probably finish it with your fingers. And for now, we're going to place the tool back on the table. Something to note about this mandrel that's different from our first generation of this tool, it is one solid piece. It's actually thicker. We have added material which is going to give it more durability in the field. It also features a medium pressure cone and seat connection. The next thing to remove from the tool is going to be the thrust washer. Place that on the table, and from here you simply break apart the tool loose. And mind you, there is magnets on the inside of this tool, so there will be no oil whatsoever used in this tool. But since there are magnets, you're going to want to place the head of this tool upside down on the table. So next thing is we're going to take out the bushing, and so you can use your finger to do this, or you can use some sort of tool. Just simply slide out the bushing, and again, place this on the table. Okay. So it's recommended that you apply Parker O-ring lubricant to the new bushing. So let's go ahead and take a little bit out. You can probably use any O-ring lubricant for this, but right here in the factory we just use Parker. So let's just apply a little bit of O-ring lubricant to this new bushing. Wipe off my fingers here. And simply place the new bushing inside on the top head of the tool. Next thing you're going to want to do, put the thrust washer inside of the top of the tool, as well as your new mandrel. So the next thing you're going to want to do is simply place it all together. And so as you can see, if you place all the components together, the mandrel of the tool should stick out of the top like so. The only thing to do left is tighten the tool down. So again, place your 1 1/4 wrench on the inlet nut of the tool, simply tighten. So something to note about this tool, it's available in 15 and 20,000 PSI, and it is designed to clean curved pipe. This features our JS2 or PT-TCH nozzles, which are tungsten carbide, so it gives you a variety of options for nozzling. So once this is tight enough, there you go. Just get it snug, and this tool is ready for the field. That was a rebuild of our new 4-inch Gen 2 J-Force.